Hello students, in this session we are going to learn about how to write dynamic templates in Django. That is, we are going to displaying an output which dynamically changes. In the previous class we have learned about static templates. Likewise, we can follow the same procedure for dynamic templates also. So I quickly open my Visual Studio Code. Yeah, same. Similarly, here I have created a project with a name called Apple and an application with a name called iPhone. So same in urls.py file, I am going to create a path for my home file as well as home method, and as well as in urls.py file in project, I just call the django.urls to in order to import the path and include, and here I have included my URL file in my application. So same case in my views file also I am going to render and I am going to request it from home.html. Now, in settings.py file, the similar settings, that is importing of the package OS, and as well as implementing our application name in install underscore apps, and as well as in the templates, I'm going to mention my base directory as static. So, in static, I have mentioned a home.css file. So, in home.css file, here I have mentioned a color called as pink. Now, what is in home.html? So in home.html, I'm going to link it to as a style sheet since it is a CSS file, and I'm going to call home.css file using this tag, that is percentage tag, percentage static tag. And now in a body, I have written a script in order to change the date as well as end time. That is, when I am going to run this output next day, so that is by tomorrow, the next day output is going to be displayed. Since it is today, the today output is going to be displayed. Likewise, the time is also going to be changed dynamically. So whenever you are going to run this output, every time the time is going to be changed. So for that, I have created an JavaScript file which consists of two variables, my date and as well as my day. So here I am going to add the days, and as well as I am going to call the day, and as well as I am going to create an hours, and I am going to create the minutes also. So get hours and get minutes are predefined methods in JavaScript to get the hours and minutes, and as well as milliseconds also. Since it is a dynamic template, the output is going to be changed continuously whenever we are going to refresh the output. So to get a perfect output, we just used this method, that is get milliseconds, so that the output will be displayed every time differently. So here I just created with variable my time and as well as variable minutes also. So now I'm going to run the server. So I am with my folder now. Python manage.py migrate. I just migrate. So check any migrations are there. Yes, no migrations are present. Now Python manage.py run server. Yes, the server was started. Now here I will open my Chrome. Now here I am going to take localhost 8000. You can clearly see that today is Saturday and current time is 3 p.m. 4 minutes. Now I am going to add that CSS file. So here I am going to use, that is, class is equal to home. I just save it here. Now I am going to refresh the output once again. So you can clearly see that the output color was changed, since in a CSS file we have used a color called pink. So in this way, the output will be changed dynamically in dynamic templates. That is, every time when we are going to refresh, the milliseconds are going to be changed, and you can clearly see that here. So milliseconds are going to be changed. So in this way, we can develop a dynamic templates in Django. Thank you.